हाफ मून जैसा, तो उस हाफ मून जैसा सेल बनने के बाद उसको दुश्वार होता है ब्लड कैपिलरीज में गुजर जाना, और वही है उससे क्या होता है, क्या ब्लड कैपिलरीज दे गेट coagulated, anemia goes on, reduced blood supply to vital organ मतलब for example jaundice occurs, muscle cramps, headache and damage to spleen. These are the side effects of the HBS. Now HbA and HbS are codominants. They affected individuals have normally accept under oxygen stress. Rather, they are benefited in the malaria-prone areas as the malaria parasites are unable to feed and multiply inside HbS carrying erythrocytes. The homozygous individuals HbS are not lucky. Their erythrocytes become sickle-shaped even under normal conditions. So the homozygous individuals before attaining maturity, a cross between two heterozygous HbA and HbS individuals therefore produce offspring consisting of one severely anemic, two carriers, one normal. The suffering from the death of severely anemic child can be avoided by discouraging marriage between heterozygous individual HbA and HbS. Heterozygous individuals can be easily recognized by blood smears. So there is a chart. HbA and HbS, they will produce gametes like HbA and HbS. They are sickle cell carriers. Again, here it is HbA and HbS, sickle cell carriers. They will give HbA and HbS. Their offsprings will be on the chart you have on your screen. So inheritance of sickle cell trait. उसके बाद एक दूसरी डिजीज है जिस ऑटोसोमल डिसऑर्डर्स में, वो है थैलेसीमिया या थैलेसीमिया. Thales means C for prevalence in Mediterranean region. Thales is a Greek word. It is a heterogeneous group of hereditary diseases caused by the hemolytic anemia that develops due to imbalanced synthesis of globin chains alpha, beta, or gamma of hemoglobin. What is it? It is a heterogeneous group of hereditary diseases. This heterogeneous group of hereditary diseases, यानी मौरूसी तौर एक ग्रुप है ये डिजीज का, बीमारियों का एक बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है, caused by the hemolytic anemia. इसमें भी एनीमिया होता है, that develops due to imbalance synthesis of globin chains, for example alpha, beta and gamma. The excess globin chain remains free, insoluble, forming precipitate which damage the erythrocytes, causing their lysis. This results in anemia. The effect is pronounced when the defective genes occur in the homozygous state. In heterozygous state, the adverse effect is minor. Thalassemia origin in Mediterranean region through mutation and deletion. It is more prevalent in Mediterranean, Middle East, Indian subcontinent, Southeast Africa. Thalassemia is of three types. It has its own types than alpha, beta, and gamma. So this is one of the disease autosomal disorders. This thalassemia, it is a heterogeneous group of disease. It is a group of diseases caused by the hemolytic anemia. It is due to blood supply, due to lack of blood supply. Anemia is that develops due to imbalances in sub globin chains. यानी यम ग्लोबिन चेन्स आसान सानी बॉडी में अल्फा बीटा तिहज कमी गसान तिहज इम्बैलेंस गसान तो रिजल्ट नेरान के एडवर्स इफेक्ट थैलेसीमिया origin in the Mediterranean region through the mutation तत गसान ये Mediterranean region में गसान चूंकि तजी पे डिजीज तत गसान म्यूटेशन तो डिलीटेशन. Thanks for watching.